morning, guys. True Loving Fishing. We are heading out with the kayak today. We're going to head out to Heckscher Drive, Clapboard Creek area. It's a little later in the day. It's 11 o'clock. Dead low was at 10:30, so I have to let that tide get back up in order to launch. And we discussed that in the prior videos. But it should be good here in about 30-40 minutes. By the time I get unloaded, we should be ready to go. Just stopped at the bait shop. I got some live mud minnows and I have the normal artificial stuff. Temperature is 59 degrees with about a 5-mile-an-hour wind, so it's going to be a great day. A later start, like I said, so we're going to fish close to early evening. Hopefully we do good. This area is just really on fire right now. Everyone I talk to is doing really well, and I hope we do the same. So thanks again, guys, and we'll see you in a minute on the yak. Thank you. Bye. All right, guys, we have just shoved off. We are in 2.93 feet of water, heading to the first spot. Very, very light wind, almost like glass out here, as you can see. Oysters are still showing. The tide is on the rise, and it will continue to rise. So we're going to hit the oysters first thing, then we're going to transition to the grass and try to get you something good. We are about 2 minutes from the first spot, and man, there is something in the distance. It's a freaking porpoise destroying stuff up there in that shallow water. Wow, that's incredible. All right, I got a little something here. Oh, all right, got a little red, it looks like. There we go, we broke the ice. Little redfish. Good hook set. He is unhooked. Look how muddy he is. That tells you how shallow that water is he's in. He's got mud on his tail, mud on his body. Nice little underslot red. Let's let him go. He's cold too. Cold water. He is gone. All right, we broke the ice. Let's get his daddy. A little redfish. Eat that little. Good size red. Nice. Did he come off? Wow, look at that. He's already off the hook. It's something else. It's a nice red. Maybe 1 inch underslot, if I had to guess. Incredible tail. Strong as can be. Wow. All right, that's a good sign because we just rounded this corner. First one we threw along the grass, we got him. That is a great sign. Let's keep it going, guys. I'm going to release him. He's going to go quick. Yep, he is gone. That was something else. And he must have barely been hooked. And I still got my bait on there. Still jiggling. All right. Very shallow right here, trying to get up in this creek. We're at 1.9. But I think we'll be all right. And I think I got something on this line right here. Yes, I do. And he's pulling me. Yeah, there we go. A little bit of a fighter. All right. Nice. Another nice red. Great fish. He's unhooked. Great fish. God, they're just incredible. I tell you guys, this is just so much fun. You gotta give it a try. Heckscher Drive, Jacksonville, Florida. Get you some live mud minnows, artificial paddle tails, whatever you got. Wait till the tide gets high enough and come throw it along this grass. And you can't not catch one. Most of the time. Most of the time, let me say that. All right, let's cut him loose. He's gone. Nice. All right. That's a better red. Yes. All righty. That's 7 reds, all under slot, and 1 trout. But they're still fun to catch, guys. You know what? They are still fun. This one's got blue eye. He's strong. I can feel him tensing up. This is where, on that other video, I caught all those slot reds a couple videos back. And I'm moving into that area now for the final like hour or 2 of fishing. So we're gonna see what we can do. Let's let him go and keep going. See what we got here. Probably another 17-inch red. Playing with it. Uh-oh. Got a little line movement. There we go. Oh, maybe a little better fish here. That's it. Okay. All right, this is a little bit better, guys. Yep, little drag pull. All right. Yeah. Nice boy. Yeah, little pull. Oh, I love it. Come on. Get to use the net maybe for the first time today. Oh yeah, this is a nice red. Oh yeah. Whoa, he ain't ready. Come on. Man, he is going nuts. He is big. He's big. Yes, he is. Oh, there's my slot. There is my slot red. Look at that one, guys. I waited all day for him. Oh, he's beautiful. Probably right at 20, maybe 21. Fought so good because of that monster tail right there. Let's get a measure. You pinch the tail, he is 21 3/4 inches. Great guy. I'm gonna get him unhooked, get him released. We're not keeping anything today, and I'm gonna keep on in this spot. It's outstanding. Whoa! I'm telling you guys, he about ripped the rod out of my hand, and I'm not exaggerating. This is a beast. I'm telling you, I'm not exaggerating. When I set the hook on this one, he about ripped it out of my hand. Oh. Yes. He's a fatty. He's a slot one, but he is stout. Smaller slot. But, I mean, this joker's got some fight in him. I felt 25 inches that didn't fight as good as him. Hammered it. You don't even want to lay down, he's so tough. 19 and a half, pulled like a 25 incher. Great fish. Let's keep going, guys. Here we go, guys. Sir. Right. Perfect fish. Perfect redfish. Fun to catch. All right. You see that in the distance? Something hitting bait or bait flipping. Put your bait right there. See what happens. Because it might just work out. It might just work out. There you go, baby. See what I'm saying? If you got bait flipping, put your bait there. Oh, I'm glad you guys got to see that. Let's keep going. Alrighty. Back to back. Must be a little hole over there. All right. Let's see what we got here. We got a feisty trout. Nice. Oh, once again, we just need that flounder, don't we? Yeah. Great little corner of the mouth. Looky there, he even gets my mud minnow. When I release him, I'm gonna let him have it. Oh, yeah. Little guy up in the mud. Once again, you can see the mud on his fins where he was hanging out eating. Great little fish. Let's send him back. Good deal. Yeah, little guy. Oh, get out of there. Oh, these guys are fun. Once again, under slot. I'm telling you guys, you can catch them. You can catch them all day. Be nice for a big boy. Fired up tail on that one. When I say fired up tail, it is very hard to see on the camera, but these reds, the way the water hits them and the sun, their tails have a blue that is just beautiful. You have to see it. Describing it doesn't do it justice, and the video for some reason doesn't pick it up as good. Same size. Let's go. I re-rigged, guys, because that thing was tattered, had oyster cuts, probably caught, no exaggeration, maybe 35 redfish on that last jig head. It lasted a few trips. Put a fresh one on, fresh mud minnow. If you haven't done this before, come from the bottom of the lip up through the top of the lip, and when I let them go, watch the action you get. See that? That right there is what you want. I'm using 20-pound fluorocarbon leader. I think that's a 1/16, if I'm not mistaken, ounce jig head. And we're going to throw it in that same hole I've been catching them, and we'll see what happens. All right, guys, 2 more casts, and we got to get rolling. We're going to put one right ahead of me at my 12 o'clock, right there in that grass. Ease it out of there towards the kayak. working it along the bottom. Oh, I got a little tap. Another one. Okay. Be patient. And then set the hook on him. Oh, he got off at the last second, guys. Oh, man. Let's see if we can get him again. Same spot. Come on. That's the first fish I've missed today, so I'm not too upset. Guys, we are done. We are heading in. One of the best days I've had so far this year. I lost count of reds. I want to say 13 underslot reds, two slot reds, one about 22, one a little bit under that. You're going to see the video. Great fight. One trout. Great drone footage. Just an absolutely incredible day. I started about noon. It's 3:45. 16, 17 fish. Just couldn't ask for a better day. I hope you enjoy this video. It was an absolute great time out here, and I hope the video captures that, guys. I'm getting some outstanding views and good thumbs up. Would appreciate some subscribers if you guys are liking what you see, and always appreciate the support that you guys are giving me, and it makes it worthwhile to see them views. So we will see you again next time, guys. We are heading in. We got to load up, clean all this up, and get back to work tomorrow. Got to do it. All right, guys. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.